Good morning, student. Today we discuss the theorems of vectors. Topic name is vectors. Theorem first. Two non-zero vectors A1 and B1 are colinear if and only there exists a scalars M and N such that M A1 plus N B1 is equal to 0. We have to prove that two non-zero vectors A and B are colinear if and only there exists a scalar M and N such that M A bar plus N B bar is equal to 0. Suppose the two non-zero vectors A bar and B bar are colinear. Therefore, there exists a scalar T such that A bar is equal to T into B bar. Therefore, A bar minus T into B bar is equal to 0 bar. Taking M is equal to 1, taking M is equal to 1 and N is equal to minus T, taking M is equal to 1 and N is equal to minus T. Therefore, M A bar plus N B bar is equal to 0 bar. This is first part, that means if part, and only that means conversely. Suppose M A bar plus N B bar is equal to 0 bar. Therefore, M A bar equal to minus N B bar. Therefore, this A bar is equal to and M not equal to 0. A bar is equal to minus N upon M into B bar. This is equal to T into B bar. Since T is equal to minus N upon M is a scalar, A bar is a scalar multiple. A bar is a scalar multiple of B bar. Hence the vectors A bar and B bar are colinear. This is theorem first. Second theorem is important in board exam. Theorem second, debate A bar and B bar B non-collinear vectors, non-collinear vectors. A vector alpha is coplanar. A vector alpha is coplanar with A bug and B bug if and only there exist unique scalars T1, T2, such that alpha is equal to T1 A bar plus T2 B bar. आता है स्टेट बोर्ड साठी असतो. We have to look at that the two non-collinear vectors A and B. A vector alpha is a coplanar with the vector A and B. There exist a unique scalars T1, T2 such that this alpha is equal to T1 A bar plus T2 B bar. ते काम करण्यासाठी पिरियडची आवश्यकता आहे. पिरियड महत्त्वाचे आहे. This point is O. This is A. This is B. The vector A bar, vector B bar. Point M, P, that means complete the diagram OMPN with OP as a diagonal. इथमध्येच 10% भाग diagonal आहे. OA आणि OM, these are the same guides. That means the vector OA and OM are collinear. Supersedes T1 A bar. ON and OB is in the same line. That means this collinear, and this OP is a resultant vector. This is alpha. Again, A bar and B bar. B non-collinear vectors. Then alpha is a coplanar with A bar and B bar. Coplanar means is in the same plane. Again, OA bar is equal to A bar. That means the vector OA is A bar. The vector OB is equal to B bar, and the vector OP is equal to alpha. Complete the diagram O M P N O M P N with OP as a diagonal, since the vectors OA and since the vectors OM and OM are collinear with the vectors, put OM collinear with vectors A bar and OM put OB साठी म्हणजे B bar respectively. Since the vectors OM and ON are colinear with the vectors A bar and B bar. Now that means colinear means this OM bar is equal to T1 A bar and this ON bar is equal to T2 B bar for some scalars T1 T2. Now this OP bar is equal to the initial point O है terminal point P है म्हणजे काय आहे this is equal to this OM bar. That means using triangle of addition of vector at triangle साठी OMP साठी OM plus MP equal to OP. Initial point terminal point P O M M P by the triangle of addition of vectors. This is equal to this OM as it is, but in diagram OMPM, MP is the same as OM. MP is same as OM. Therefore, this alpha is equal to OM means T1 A bar plus OM means T2 B bar. Thus, this alpha can be expressed as a linear combination of vectors A bar and B bar. This is first part. Next economic means Kornbergsky if alpha is equal to T1 A bar plus T2 B bar, then the vector alpha is in the plane determined by A bar and B bar. If this alpha is equal to T1 A bar plus T2 B bar, then the vector this alpha is in the plane determined by the vector A and B. Therefore, this alpha is a co-planar with A bar and B bar. This is Kornberg's path. But we have to do that unique scalars T1, T2. That means uniqueness. Uniqueness that this alpha is equal to T1 dash A bar plus T2 dash B bar. Uniqueness that alpha is equal to T1 dash A bar plus T2 dash B bar. Don't forget the same height. Therefore, T1 A bar plus T2 B bar is equal to T1 dash A bar plus T2 dash B bar. थोडक्यात आपल्याला T1 is equal to T1 dash दाखवायचं इथे therefore T1 minus T1 dash into A bar plus T2 minus T2 dash into B bar is equal to 0 bar. Therefore T1 minus T1 dash is equal to 0 and T2 minus T2 dash is equal to 0. The correspond since the vectors A bar and B bar are non-collinear. The condition में है T1 minus T1 dash equal to 0 and T2 minus T2 dash is equal to 0 since the vectors A and B are non-collinear. Hence T1 is equal to T1 dash and T2 is equal to T2 dash. That means uniqueness. Thus a vector R is coplanar with A bar and B bar if and only there exist a scalars T1, T2 such that R1 is equal to T1 A bar plus T2 B bar. Hence R1 can be expressed as a linear, can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of A bar and B bar. Hence, solver can be uniquely expressed as a linear combinations of A bar and B bar. The second theorem is important in the board exam. Next, theorem third. The key vectors A bar, B bar and C bar are coplanar if and only there exists a non-zero linear combination X A bar plus Y B bar plus Z C bar is equal to 0 bar. Three vectors A B C are coplanar if and only there exist a non-zero linear combinations X A bar plus Y B bar plus Z C bar is equal to 0 bar. theorem फर्स्ट चा थोडक्यात एक्सटेन्शन आहे ते दोन होते आणि कोलिनियर होता ते तीन आहेत ए बी सी आणि कोप्लानर ग्रुप मध्ये सपोज the three vectors ABC are coplanar. तीन वेक्टर जर कोplanar असतील तर त्यांचे लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशन एक्झिट होतं. दॅट मीन्स C1 can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of A bar and B bar using theorem 7. C1 can be uniquely expressed as a linear combination of vectors a and b. Therefore, this C bar is equal to m into by theorem second. C bar is equal to m a bar plus n into b bar, where m n are the scalar. Therefore, m a bar plus n b bar minus c bar is equal to 0 bar. Taking m is equal to x, n is equal to y, and minus 1 is equal to z. Taking m is equal to x, n is equal to y, minus 1 is equal to z. Therefore, x a bar plus y b bar plus z c bar is equal to 0 bar. Since this x, y, z be the non-zero, x, y, z be the non-zero scalar, convex पार्ट म्हणजे इथनं इथं जायचं, इथनं इथे यायचं, या टाईपमध्ये इट्स नोन ॲज इपॅनॉनली टॉपिकमध्ये आहे. मॅथमॅटिकल लॉजिकमध्ये बाय कंडिशनल स्टेटमेंट आहे, त्या टाईपमध्ये कॉन्व्हेक्स के. सपोज एक्स ए बार प्लस वाय बी बार प्लस झेड सी बार इज इक्वल टू 0 बार. झेड सी बार इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स ए बार माइनस वाई बी बार. Therefore, C bar is equal to minus x upon z a bar plus minus y upon z b bar. Since z not equal to 0, these are the non-zero scalar. Therefore, this C bar is equal to minus x upon z. This is some constant of scalar m a bar plus m b bar. Since m is equal to minus x upon z, n equal to minus y upon z be the scalar. Therefore, C bar can be linear combination of vectors a and b, C bar is co-pendant. C bar is co-pendant with the vector vectors a bar and b bar. Hence the vectors ABC, hence the vector ABC co-pendant Next point is vectoring to dimension, vector in two dimensional, that means 2D, vector in two dimensional, 2D. Suppose this is x axis and y axis. In xy plane, x axis and y axis is x dash, y dash. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose this point M is 1, 0. This point is M, 0, 1. That means unit, and this x axis, that means I cap. The vector along the x axis unit vector is known as I cap, notation I cap, and here just the j cap. The दोन axes असतील x and y. x चा unit vector असणार I cap, y चा असेल j cap. तर तीन असतील. पुढचा पॉइंट आहे तो थ्री डायमेन्शनल ज्योमेट्री. त्याच्यामध्ये x axis, y axis. x axis असतो I cap unit vector, j साठी असणार आहे, y साठी असेल j cap, z साठी असणार k cap. If the point P, here P point is 3, 4, that means the vector OP is, थोडक्यात असे आपण काढू शकतो, माहिती आहे इकडे तीन इकडेच्या, म्हणजे using kind of operation vector is this OP means suppose CM point OM plus CMP, म्हणजे काय ना OP, and this OP is in two-dimensional geometry, in two-dimensional figure. This OP means okay, I cap plus 4j cap. OP means okay, I cap plus 4j cap. That means using triangular operation vector, the total distance 3 है, which are same in xy plane. In xy plane, you can EM 1, 0 and EM 0, 1 be the 2 points, along the x and y axis respectively. Then we define the unit vectors I cap and j cap as this OM is equal to I cap. That means the vector OM is equal to I cap and the vector OM is equal to j cap. The distance 1 आहे, हे 1, and mod of 1 means unity, that means vector of vector OM is unity, and vector of vector OM is unity, that means is OM bag is equal to I cap and OM bag is equal to j cap. Given any vector, say given any other vector, say this OP bag, that means vector OP, where P point is 3, 4, where P point is 3, 4, then this OP bag is equal to 3 I cap plus 4 j cap. तो समजा हा जर पॉइंट P x y असेल, हा जर पॉइंट P x y असेल, काय म्हणणार दिस OP भाग इज इक्वल टू x I cap plus y j cap. This OP भाग इज इक्वल टू x I cap plus y j cap. This is the vector in two dimensional